Yes. Hello, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm fine. So children, today all of you are prepared for the test, isn't it? But I'll be taking the test in the next period. Now we shall continue and complete with what we started in the previous day. We were framing equations for the sentences, isn't it? Do you remember? About number of marbles and all. We completed that, isn't it? Framing equations for the statements given. And we have studied how to frame sentences for the equation given, right? Yes? Hello, are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So now next step is solution of an equation. What is that? Solution of an equation. You know, so we have to find the solution for problems, isn't it? If both are making a problem in the class, the teacher will come and solve it, right? That what is the meaning of that? Finding an answer for that, isn't it? Finding a solution for that, so that there is no more problem, right? So same way, if you are given an equation, you have to solve it and find out a solution for that. And let us see, I'll explain with simple problems, children. After that, we can go to the other type of problems. So we'll see that. Look at this. I'll just put a small simple equation. Now this one I'll clear. Yeah. Now listen. Solution of an equation. What do you mean by that? First, you have to know what is that. Solution.
Ma'am, the answer of an equation, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what. Solution of an equation. So suppose the question is 3 plus x is equal to 8. 3 plus x is equal to 8. How will you, what can be x, children? Unknown.
Ma'am, 5.
The value. But very clearly, you know, there are 3 methods for that. To find a solution, we are learning 3 methods in this chapter. First one is a trial and error method. Trial and error method. That means we will try with different numbers and at last we will find out which is suitable. That is known as trial and error method. Second one is balancing equation method. Balancing both sides. Third one is transposing. You will transpose the number from one side to the other side. That is left hand side to the right hand side or right hand side to the left hand side accordingly to find the solution. 3 methods are there. Out of that, first one is trial and error method. So let us see what is that. Okay. Now, 3 plus x is equal to 8. In the trial and error method, what we do is we will put values for x. X is equal to 0. Then put the value 3 plus in the place of x, we will put 0. So, is it correct, children? No, isn't it? 3 plus 0 is 3. That is not equal to 8. So, this solution is wrong. Now, we will take x is equal to, x is equal to 1. Next number, 3 plus 1 is equal to 8. That is also wrong, isn't it? 4 is not equal to 8. Now, that is also wrong. Next, x is equal to 2 or 3. We can take any value. We can take x is equal to 4. So, 3 plus 4. Is it correct? No. That is not correct, isn't it? 7 is not equal to 8. So that is also wrong. Now we will check with the next number. So 3 plus 4 is not equal to 8. So 7 not equal to 8. So this is also wrong. Next number we'll put x is equal to 5. And we will check 3 plus 5. Is it equal to 8?
Yes.
Yes. We'll get 8 is equal to 8. Isn't it? So the left hand side, you know what is left hand side and right hand side, isn't it, children? in the previous class, we have discussed what is left-hand side and right-hand side. So now my equation was x plus 3 is equal to, or 3 plus x. 3 plus x is equal to 8. Isn't it? Here, this side that is known as LHS, left-hand side, and this side is known as RHS, right-hand side. Left-hand side and right-hand side. Now, for which value LHS is equal to RHS? For which value LHS became equal to RHS? LHS is equal to RHS when x is equal to what? X is equal to 5, isn't it? So the solution is x is equal to 5. This is the answer. Did you understand? This is called trial and error method. We can just put value, substitute different values, all possible solutions to x, whatever we think correct. Guess some
Ma'am,
numbers
I
and
did not understand, ma'am.
put it in the place of x. We can put any value for x and just check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. For which value LHS is becoming RHS, then we can take that value as the solution of the equation. Okay, next example we can see so that we will understand, all can understand. Okay, so this is called the solution. The value which is satisfying the equation is known as the solution of the equation. Now next number, x plus 5 is equal to 13. So in the case of trial and error method, what we do is we simply assign some values.
Ma'am, x is 12.
X is equal to, what did you say?
X is equal to 8.
X is equal to, okay, let us suppose some other number, 2. So we put, instead of x, we will put 2. 2 plus 5. Is it equal to 13, children?
No, ma'am.
7, no? 2
I mean,
plus 5 is 7.
8, no?
So that is not equal to
7.
30. So that is wrong. Now we can put 8 and see. So x is equal to 8. So in the place of x, we can put 8. 8 plus
8
5
plus 5,
is equal to
13.
30. These are all simple problems. So we know 13 is equal to 13. Here you see LHS became equal to RHS. So here LHS is equal to RHS, isn't it? Here both sides we got 13. When we substituted x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 is the solution. That's all. Very simple. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next another example. So I will give you some problems. You have to say which is the correct solution for this. Okay. So let us see that. I'll give you some problems and you have to check whether the given solutions are satisfying the equation, or you have to check whether the solutions are the correct solution for the equations. That is what we are going to do. Some set of problems I am going to give you. Okay, listen.
I did not understand.
You will understand now. Yes. See this, children. So what you have to do is you have to check what is given in the question. What is given? First one, equation. First equation you see x plus 3 is equal to 0. Is this solution? Say whether this is satisfying the equation. Say whether the equation is satisfied. Yes or no? Is it correct?
No,
children?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. No. Because if you put in the place of x, if you put 3, 3 plus 3, we get 9, not 0. Isn't it? So no. Next one, x is equal to 0. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
No.
Check.
Yes. No, ma'am.
X is equal to 0 plus 3. Answer is 3, no, not 0. So here you see the answer is 0. So it is also not correct. What about the next one? X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 3. Is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you put negative 3
Yes.
in the place of x, we will get 0 as the answer. Negative 3 plus positive 3 is equal to 0. So answer is correct. Yes. Yes. Now next one, x minus 7 is equal to 1. X is equal to 7. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No. No. Now next one, x minus 7 is equal to 1. X is equal to 8.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
8 minus 7, you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
1, correct. So x is equal to 8. Yes, it is correct. Now, next one is 5 into x is equal to 25. X is equal to 0. 5 into 0 will come, no? Well, is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll call some students and ask. Yes, Riha, tell me this is no, isn't it? This one is no. This is no, not correct. Yes. Now I'll call some people one by one with by your name. Otherwise, everybody is answering. Many of them will sit quiet. Okay. So Adi Tushar, absent. He is not present. Okay. It is 1811. Okay. Ahil Muhammad, can you answer this? Yes, Aaron Somi. Come on. Aaron Somi, first one. This one. 5x is equal to 25. X is equal to 5. Is it correct? 5 into x. 5x. So 5 into x. 5x. So in the place of x, I am putting 5. Then, is it correct or not? Answer is correct. Is the solution correct solution? Aaron?
No.
I am asking Aaron Somi. Only Aaron Somi should answer. Aaron, is this solution correct or not? X, if I put x is equal to 5, will I get 25? Why? No answer? Aaron?
Maybe he's not there.
Maybe gone. Huh? Okay. Name, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aaron, where were you?
Ma'am, I removed my headset, ma'am. That's why. My headset was on the table, ma'am.
Tell me the answer, whether it is a solution or not. Correct or not?
5x equal to 25, right? X
Ah.
is equal to 5. Yes, ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
Correct. So S. Then 9. Next one. X is equal to negative 5. We'll get 25. Positive 25 is the answer. Is it correct? Solution is.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
5 is equal to
5 into negative 5. Answer is
5 into negative.
positive 25. No. So is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Solution is correct or not?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Because
No.
positive into negative, we should get answer as negative 5. No,
Negative, right.
25. So answer is wrong. So it is not a solution. Okay. Alisha Jain, next question.
No, ma'am.
No. M by 3 is equal to 2. M is negative 6. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
No,
answer?
ma'am.
No. Because negative 6 by 3, we should get answer as negative.
Negative. Yes.
Isn't it? Negative 2. But answer is positive 2. So answer is not correct. No, it's not a solution. Yes, Priyadatta, next one. This one.
Ma'am, that is wrong. No.
That is wrong. Because in the place of M, if we put 0, 0 by 3 is,
right?
so answer, we won't get the answer. So no. Isn't it? Yes. Now Abel Jofi, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one you cannot see. Yeah. Next one, Abel.
Yes,
M
ma'am.
by 3 is equal to 2. So M is equal to 6. Is it correct? Is the solution correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
6 by 3. In the place of M, you have to put 6. So 6 by 3 is equal to 2. It is correct. Yes, it is a solution. This is how you are finding the solution. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is known as solution. The number which is satisfying the equation is known as the solution of the equation. What is it?
Solution of the equation.
What is it? A number which is satisfying the equation. Satisfying the equation means what? Which makes a left-hand side of the equation equal to the right-hand side of the equation. That is known as the solution of the equation. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So we have one more topic to see. Let me see whether if you can answer. That is this one. Just take it. Come on, this one, it is check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Check whether the value given, the value of n is given here.
Ma'am, can I the first one?
Ma'am,
First one, I'll call. Don't talk like that. I'll call you. Yes, Abel Jofi, I called. Then Abhaynath. Abhaynath, can you answer it? Abhaynath, can you answer? No. Okay. Then Adus, can you answer? Adus? Alan Siju? Hello? Alisha Jain, come on, answer it.
Ma'am, it's not a solution.
It is not a solution because if you put n is equal to 1, 1 plus 5, you should get 6, no? But answer is 19. So, check whether the value given in the brackets, so write not a solution. Not a solution. Okay. Now, next one, it is Ashinanda. Come on, answer it, Ashinanda. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. In that, if we put n is equal to -2, is it a solution? Check and tell me, Ashinanda. Yes, Badi. Badi, can you answer it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Is it correct or not? Is it a solution? -2. 7 into n. 7n means 7 into n. So, n, it is given -2. In the place of n, if you put -2, what will be that there? What will be coming
Ma'am,
here?
yes, ma'am. Yes, it's a
Yes,
solution.
ma'am.
-14.
Ma'am, it's a solution.
-14 will come. -14 will come. Then is answer correct?
Negative 14.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
5.
Correct.
19.
No, ma'am.
19.
No, ma'am.
Answer is 19.
No,
here.
ma'am, it's not correct.
It's not correct, no.
Negative
Yes,
-14
ma'am.
plus, listen children, when we put 7,
Why, yes,
again,
ma'am, it's not correct because we cannot.
-14. So the equation will become -14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Is it correct?
Yes, but
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
-14 plus
No.
5, what is the answer?
Negative 19.
9, ma'am.
-19. How will you add two negative numbers?
By
And put negative
looking
sign.
which is the
One is
highest.
positive and one is negative, no? So
Yes,
how will
ma'am.
you add? How will you add? When one is negative and other is positive, what is the rule?
Ma'am,
We should
should-
We should subtract and put the sign of the greater number, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So what will you get when 14? 9
ma'am,
only. It is not
Ma'am.
equal to 19. So it is not a solution. Understood?
no.
Not
Yes,
a
ma'am.
solution. Now next one, 7n
Ma'am,
plus
next
5.
one is yes.
Yes, 9. Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. 7 into 2. 14.
In the place
Yes.
of -2,
Positive.
it is given +2. So will it be correct?
Yes.
Positive.
Yes, ma'am, it is correct,
Yes,
ma'am.
So we'll get +14 here as answer. So positive
And a plus 5.
Yes. So positive 14 plus 5, we will get 19.
19.
90.
No sign, so it is positive. So answer you will get as positive 19. So yes,
Positive 19.
it is a solution.
Yes.
Yes, it is a solution.
This.
Now, next one, I'll call, Badi I
Next one,
called.
no.
Fatima, you answer it. Fatima,
No,
answer
no,
it.
it's no.
Fatima is there?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Ah.
no.
It's
Not
no.
a solution.
Why? P is equal to 1. So 4 into 1, 4 only, no? 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 3. It is not equal to 30.
It's one
This
So
one.
no, not a solution.
solution.
Now what about the next one? 4p
Yes,
minus
ma'am, it's yes.
equal to
No.
30. Negative 4. Negative 4.
No.
Irene,
Next one.
tell me
No.
the answer.
No.
No.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
no.
4, we can say 4 into.
Yes, ma'am, it's yes. I think so. It's yes. Cause
So what we have
negative.
to do, just calculate it.
Change the
4
sign and add, ma'am.
into
Ma'am,
negative
change the
4.
sign and
1
add.
minute, 1 minute. 4 into negative 4 minus 3. What is the answer? 4 into negative 4 is?
4 into negative 4. Ma'am, it's negative 60.
Negative
Negative
16
Negative 60.
minus 3.
Minus 3.
So
minus
what
3.
will you get?
Change
30.
the sign.
30.
Hmm?
30, ma'am.
No, it is subtraction. So change the sign and
Oh.
add.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
plus.
What will you get? Negative 9.
Ma'am,
Negative.
So
90.
it's wrong, isn't it? Answer is wrong.
Negative
So it
90.
is not a
That's
solution.
it.
Oh,
Not a
yes, yes. ma'am.
solution.
Okay.
So be careful about the signs. Now what
Yes,
about the
ma'am. I got
last
two
one? I'll
people.
call Ishak Ishan is
Sorry.
present. Ishak is present. Ishak Ishan. No. Levin Joseph, not present.
No.
Mohammad Fas, absent. Okay, Safwan,
Answer.
are you present? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Safwan,
ma'am.
tell me the next answer. Yes. Is it a solution or not?
No.
Last
No.
one. Last
Not
one.
a
This one.
solution.
F. Is it a solution? P is equal to 0.
No, ma'am.
No, because if you put 0 here, 4 into 0, 0. 0
Zero.
minus 3, we will get what? 0 minus 3 is
Negative 3, ma'am.
Negative
negative
3.
3. So it is not a solution.
Solution.
Okay. So clear,
So
children.
wrong.
What is the meaning of solution? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. To make the
Ah.
answer correct.
So we can
This
say
plus
that
this something.
a solution means
To make one
a
answer.
solution
equal.
means a number which satisfies the equation. That means what? Which makes the left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Right hand
Clear?
side.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
shall we
Ma'am,
stop?
attendance?
I need the attendance of 2 more children. Mohammad Safwan is present. Naim is present.
Ma'am, did you take my attendance, ma'am?
Nihal Mustafa,
Ma'am.
I have taken. Nihal,
Ma'am, I joined in 10:50. That no 10:01. That is the meeting was.
Ausay Pachan, absent. Okay. Paul Hansel, Paul, absent. Pranav Raji,